Awesome. Well, we have a full house today, and it's already looking like it's going to be a happy, happy Diwali. So, welcome you guys, and wish you all a very, very happy Diwali. We have a packed agenda, and really appreciate you taking the time to join us today. We will kickstart by handing over to our esteemed Mr. Pradeep Khanna to say a few words to kick us off, and then we'll do a meet and greet. It'll be semi-free format, right? But again, during the meet and greet, I would appreciate if everybody keeps their updates to a couple of minutes. Otherwise, we're going to run way over. With that, Pradeep, I'm going to hand it over to you to kick us off.
Thank you very much. And first of all, I'm delighted to welcome all of you to the first ever online GCC Diwali Dhimaka. And what is GCC? For those of you who do not know, GCC stands for Global Chapters and Connections. It is the global engagement platform from IIT Delhi Alumni Association. What GCC aims to do is to create a global platform where all alumni all over the world can connect with each other and connect with each other on a value driven basis. And how do we establish value? When we have alumni from 1966 graduate to 2021 graduate, we form special interest groups. And towards this object, we have already been having, this year itself, 14 episodes of GCC where we have hosted a large number of alumni from all over the world. And I also asked them to not only walk their journey post IIT, but also what value propositions they look for. And the feedback that we have got is that people are looking for reconnecting, networking, 360 mentoring, and give back. So this will become the new mantra from GCC now onwards. It's a journey that we are on, and it is just early steps and baby steps. In fact, it is just a couple of months since the second relaunch, and I do want to express my sincere thanks to the few people all over the world who got together and presented today's Diwali Dhimaka. First and foremost, our Master of Ceremonies Aditi Sharma from San Francisco, or to be more precise, from the Bay Area. And folks, it is 6 a.m. in the morning. Likewise, it is 12 a.m. in Sydney. So you can look at the passion of the people. And also from Australia, I am delighted to thank Pallav Saxena, Pulkit Bhandari, and Sweta Shah, who helped in putting together this event. From Canada, delighted to thank Vijay Ivali, Parveen, and Bridge from Vancouver and from Toronto, as well as Priyadarshi from Singapore. So it's been a global team which got together, but I also want to manage your expectations. We have done this at the last minute with just 3 calls, international calls. The idea was to get together in spirit as we build up the global platform. So please bear with any imperfections that you may see today. It is all a global teamwork. So with that, thank you to all of you for joining in today and taking out the time. And I look forward to engaging more with you. And back to you, Aditi, and a big round of applause for Aditi to kickstart the session today. Over to you, Aditi.
Thank you so much, Pradeep. Thank you. And it's my honor and privilege to be a part of this community and to be able to contribute. I am so excited to see that so many folks have joined. I'm sure from all over the world. We'll get into that in just a second. I'll just go by the order that Zoom is showing me in terms of meet and greet. So we'll follow a very simple format where if you can say your name, your batch, which type of engineering or masters you did from IIT Delhi, your hostel. I don't think many of us will remember our entry numbers, but would love to hear about your family and where you're currently located, and where you're working. And then at the end, if you want to share a fun memory, something brief that you can share with the group, that would be great. So why don't I go ahead and kick it off? I'm showing up first in my list. So Aditi Sharma, I graduated in 1999. I did BTech in computer science. My husband Vivek Quatra is actually also from IIT Delhi, same batch, com science. I have two boys, Ishanch and Vidit. They're 15 and 11 years old. As Pradeep mentioned, I'm located in the Bay Area, in San Francisco. I currently work for AWS. Recently joined, well, not that recently, but last year. I switched from where I was working earlier. And one fun memory, I'm saying fun now, at that time it was very, very nerve-wracking. I remember in our final year, me and my husband, we used to be study partners. So, we would do courses together and all of that. So we took this networking course under Dr. Huzur Saran. I don't know if you all remember him, but we both made the mistake of auditing the course. And we literally got to a point where we barely managed to scrape through and pass. So when we were waiting for our final grade at that time, my husband had gotten his offer for PhD with scholarship. I'd gotten my job offer, but we were waiting with bated breath if we passed or failed that audit course. So now it's a fun memory, but it wasn't fun back then. So with that, Pradeep, you're next on my list. Would love to hear something about you and the family.
So before I don't know which Pradeep you are referring to, but let me ask you. So it was love in the air when you were in the final year. So was it खुल्लम खुल्ला or was it छुपके छुपके?
आपको क्या लगता है मेरी पर्सनालिटी से कुछ चुपके चुपके हो नहीं सकता?
I totally agree. You see, that is why I wanted you to be the MC, because you are a bubbly people's person. Yes, so it was Khullam Kulla, guys. So now, which Pradeep do you want to go first?
You, Pradeep Khanna. You, Pradeep.
Okay,
So go for
folks.
it.
I am possibly along with one or two of my classmates today who are in this, the oldest. No, I'm sorry, I have to take it back because we've got some lovely folks from 1967 batch also. So I'm very, I love talking to people, and when I talk to people, I tell them, folks, I did my BTech when you guys were not even born. And I think that applies to a lot of people. So I did my BTech from IIT Delhi in 1977. Aravali Hostel, entry number still remember 72 EC14. Wow. And what am I doing now? I am a Villa Fatru. Who's got a few global things that I'm going, but I'm very, very immersed into virtual reality, augmented reality. And you've got to stop me over because I can keep talking on and on and on. So with that, back to you, Aditi, for the next person.
Awesome. Thank you, Pradeep. Thanks so much for sharing. And I'm amazed that you still remember the entry number. That's quite commendable.
I forgot to say one last thing, Aditi. That I am based in Sydney, in Australia, the place which is called Down Under, which has been the most barricaded place in the last 18 months. Our international borders are still closed. So back to you, Aditi.
Awesome. Yeah, no, thank you for joining. It's midnight in Sydney, Pradeep and everybody who's joining from there. So thank you guys for making the time. Next, we have Pallav Saxena. Let's go over to you.
Hi, everybody. My name is Pallav. I'm an 84 entry chemical engineer, Aravali Hostel. Have fond memories of IIT. I probably made the best friends in IIT. Those 4 years are golden years of ours, which I think stay with us forever. I have been in India for a few years. I used to work for the Tatas. I was in Tata Steel. Then I was in Europe as area manager at Tatas. Did some acquisitions and mergers and stuff like that in the steel industry. Moved to Australia. Basically, got fed up of having an Indian passport and being traveling overseas was just too hard. Every time you need a visa. That's what made me take a Australian citizenship. I moved here in 2002 and have been here ever since. Worked for some corporate sector for a while, and now I'm on my own. I do my own imports of steel for oil and gas mining businesses. So I have a family with me here. My wife Anshu and my two kids Arman and Shreya. They're both teenagers and are now sleeping because it's past midnight.
So again, just on that, folks, if you need a few barrels of oil or if you need a spare tire for your car, you know whom to contact.
Absolutely. Anything to do with oil and gas, anything to do with pipelines, you can contact me. That'll be good.
Yeah, and it's amazing, Pallav, that you say you have teenagers who are sleeping right now. Like I have a 15-year-old, and if they're asleep at midnight, that's actually an accomplishment. So good job.
Yeah. I think
awesome.
I think my fondest memories of IIT were of this thing Rendezvous. Rendezvous was always exciting, and one of the rendezvous I was in the fashion show, which was even more challenging. I mean, looking back, all that excitement comes back, when you talk about it. I think those were some fun moments, and every day was an adventure in IIT. So that was the best part.
Yeah, I couldn't agree with you more, Pallav. It was every moment was quite adventurous and memorable there. So thank you for sharing, Pallav. Appreciate it. Next, we have Vijay. Vijay, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Now here again, Aditi, we've got quite a few Vijays over here. So which Vijay are you referring to?
Vijay Ewali from Canada. Vijay, you will need to unmute yourself. I was trying to unmute you, but I couldn't.
Yeah, hi.
There we go.
Hi, good morning and happy Diwali, everyone. My name is Vijay Ewali from 1977 batch. My wife Suma is here because it's 9 a.m. in Toronto, so we have the luxury of being in the woken up time, so to say, unlike San Francisco and Sydney. As I did in textile technology in 77 from Jawalamukhi Hostel, married in 1983, and I have got two kids or children, whatever. So my son Tejas and my daughter Gitanjali, and I have a daughter-in-law Archana. So we all stay in Toronto. And one of the fond memories of IIT Delhi, so to say, is when I didn't know at that time, but I started. I was the first secretary of the Textile Engineering Society because at that time civil had and mechanical had we didn't have. So and I didn't know like how long it will continue, but I was surprised to learn just last year that the Textile Engineering Society is now in its 45th year. So and they also featured me as a speaker last year. So that's a fond memory of IIT Delhi. And well, I've been in Toronto now for 20 plus years. Before that, I was in Mumbai. And from textile machinery sales, I moved over to the real estate sales. So I'm in the real estate agency over here. So that's a bit about me. So nice connecting with you all. And well, happy Diwali to everyone once again. And from Suma also.
Hi, everyone. Very happy Diwali to all of you.
Awesome. Thank you, Vijay.
Aditi, just before you continue, you see, Vijay is not only from my batch, but I've also stayed at his place in Toronto. So let me say a big hi to Suma. Suma, how are you? And absolutely lovely to see you here with Vijay. So back to you, Aditi.
Yeah, no, I was actually going to say the same thing. It's so good to see you, Suma, and I'm so glad that our families are joining us today. And it's Diwali is the perfect time to be meeting and greeting with the family. So thank you so much for joining, Suma. And later today, we're going to see some beautiful Rangoli work done by Suma and also Gitanjali, who's Vijay's daughter. So wait for that. But again, thank you so much for joining. All right, let's see. We have Abhay Oswal next on my list.
Hi. Am I mute? No, I'm a mute.
We can hear you.
Yes, I'm from Pioneer Batch, 67. And the number is 62EA1.
Oh, fabulous.
I enjoyed IIT to the point I think that was the best years of our lives. I just can't believe all the friends, all the hostels, events, student weeks, sports, and fun in the hostel was just incredible. And then I came out of IIT Delhi, finished my BTech in EE, and then went to IIT Kanpur for a year. Grad school, didn't like it at all. Moved to US, went to Northwestern for a grad school in computer science. And I've been with companies like Bell Labs, Honeywell, my own companies, consulting work. Worked for Apple in their advanced technology department. And then I worked for a bunch of other companies like Intel, my own company, a biotech company I was involved with. So it's been a fun ride. I've been involved with sustainability, so I've been involved with automotive applications, you name it. I've been jack of a lot of trades all over the years. Lately, I've been involved with trying to build a very super compact, very affordable electric vehicle for India's crowded cities. And in the process of doing that, I got involved with a battery project, which is next generation battery called lithium sulfur. I got two IITs in that project as a consortium, one national lab, CMET, and a couple of industrial partners, one Tata company called Electra EV, and also a German company called Hella. And we are looking to talk to Ola for building a relationship with them for long term. So it's been an interesting journey, and I'm here in Delhi right now. I live in San Diego mostly, but I come to Delhi. We have a home here. So I spend a year here and a year there. It's been an interesting combination of two countries for me.
So before
Awesome.
Aditi jumps in, Abhay, all I would like to say is जैसे पंजाबी में कहते हैं ना पैरे पहना, that means I'm touching your feet, you are my senior. But more importantly, San Diego is such a beautiful place, and Pradeep Khosla, who's the chancellor of University of California at San Diego, he's also an IITian.
Yes.
Back to you, Aditi.
Yeah, no, I was going to say, amazing to have you on, Abhay, and you also remember your entry number. God, I mean, like, this is amazing. And what a journey. And honestly, given the pollution levels in India and given the traffic situation, if the electric vehicle works out, kudos to you. So I'm looking forward to hearing more about it, Abhay. Thank you so much for sharing.
Good, I'll send you a photo.
That would be great. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you, Abhay. Next on my list is Aanchal Kumar. Aanchal, hi, good morning.
Hi, Aditi. Hi, Pradeep. Hi, everybody. Sorry, I'm going to stay off video today. I told Pradeep the only way I'm joining is if I can be off video because I'm in the 6 a.m. crowd from Orange County. So still a little bit early for me. I am from the 97 badge, entry number 97060, graduated in chemical engineering, couple of badges junior to Aditi. And I've been in the US since the last 20 years, mainly working for Deloitte. Then earlier this year, switched over to Experian, doing technology project management. And I have two kids, a 7-year-old girl and a 9-year-old boy. And lots of fun memories, probably too many to share. From Rendezvous, I think maybe one of the favorite ones is getting back to Kailash after 11 p.m., the curfew deadline. So, that was a deadline we used to have back then. Hopefully that's not the case anymore. So yeah, nice to be here, and happy Diwali to everybody.
So Aanchal, in Kailash, Aditi would have ragged you. But now, do you get an opportunity to rag her?
No, I think both of us were in the non-ragging camp for the most part. So, and Kailash had a very different flavor of ragging, which was very different from the boys' hostel. So I actually have very minimal memories of Aditi ragging me, to be honest.
That's so sweet of you. I appreciate the selective memory, Aanchal. Thank you. No, but yeah, it's the 11 p.m. Entries in the register, Aanchal. God, that brings back so many memories, the excuses we had to write. And honestly, like, I don't even know why that rule existed, because we had to work on assignments way, well into the evening. So anyway, it was fun times, and thank you for joining, Aanchal.
Sure.
Awesome. Next we have Anupama Malik.
Hi everyone. Really nice to meet you. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. We are all in different time zones. So I'm 2012 batch PhD from IIT Delhi. I actually went back to study again. Earlier I masters in computer applications from Delhi University, and in fact I had my own company. I taught for a while and really bugged to do something in academics, and doing PhD at IIT Delhi was great fun. I was there from 2003. I joined as MS, and then that got converted to PhD, and I was there for literally, I think, 9 years till 2012. Then I have joined there as project scientist. Subsequently, I have a startup which got incubated at IIT Delhi. So, being in your alma mater and having a startup which actually works in a space of digital heritage, we do a lot of AR, VR, and 3D printing, and try to present India's cultural heritage to the world. That's the excitement.
So a question: is that you, Anupama, or is that your avatar? And also, for everybody's information, on the 6th November session of GCC, Anupama will be joining us in the fireside chat. So back to you, Aditi.
Awesome. No, thank you, Anupama, for sharing. And it's so amazing to see entrepreneurs. I know IIT Delhi is, a hub for entrepreneurs. It's so good to see women entrepreneurs specifically also. So thank you for joining. Thank you for sharing your journey. And kudos to you for going back, getting a PhD, and following your passion. Thank you for joining, Anupama.
Thanks, Aditi. Thanks a lot.
Awesome. Next, we have Ashok Jha.
Good evening from India, everyone. I am sorry that I have to talk to you on mobile, so that may not give you a very good picture, but I was so much excited to join this meeting, and finally I have made it. First, let me introduce myself, and before introduction, I want to say big thanks to all those people for whom it is either 9 a.m. or 12 night and 6 morning, and they are still there with us. In India, it is, I think the time was keeping in mind the time in India, that is 6 p.m. most comfortable time. So of course it's most comfortable for me and all those from India, but of course so difficult and tough for all of you who are there joining at 9 a.m. So big thanks to all of you for arranging this program. First, I introduce myself. I am from 84 batch, 84 to 88. Electrical engineering from IIT Delhi, and we were staying in Aravali hostel along with Pallav, who is already has introduced, so he's in the meeting. In fact, we got the invite from Pallav, and that way I came to know about it. So far as my family is concerned, my wife Kalyani is there, and I have 2 daughters, Shubhra and Archana. The elder daughter is around 28 years old, Archana is around 25 years old, and we are staying in, we are staying together in Mumbai, maybe for the past 15 years. Of course, I work for Government of India, Department of Telecommunication. But since you have asked that what is the best memory from IIT, so I always loved Pallav's song, and that always, he used to sing Raat Kali Ek Khab Mein Aayi, and that I loved it so much. And whenever I remember Pallav, I always remember that song also. So immediately that comes to my mind first, that okay, what is the best? Okay, that Pallav song, Pallav is there, means that song is there with us. So that's great of Pallav to have sung with us and entertained us. That's great. As far as my own professional life is concerned, actually I was there in service sector. I mean, for maybe around 20 years or so, dealing with telecommunication service provision. But now for past 2 years, I have come to Telecommunication Engineering Center, basically. And there, since I have come here, that I have really now started enjoying technology more and more. Means that probably drive that which was there during IIT days, that has probably come back, and like that I just enjoy it. So recently also they asked us to make one paper, very open paper, that concept on optical fiber. And they thought that I will be making something like taking from this source and that source. But I worked for 1.5 months. It is all original. And when they read it, they are themselves not sure what to do with it, because they got so many original things in that. In fact, I learned so much because I had to contact around 50 people in professionals in different field, including IIT Bombay electrical engineering guys who were with us in IIT Delhi. If somebody remembers, that Vikram Gadre was there, and 1 year junior to me, and he introduced me to optical fiber people in IIT Bombay, and we are working with them also. So it's really a great journey. Always remember IIT, because that gave us that probably power to do so many things. I mean, just it is wonderful alma mater. Sometimes I feel like I should go there and bow my head there, because so much comes from there, undoubtedly. It's the source of, you can say. We had met Pallav in 2016 when it was Silver Jubilee of IIT. I mean, our batch, Pallav had come from Australia, and I was surprised that for the 2 days that we stayed there, we felt that we are on different planet. I don't know how it comes. Means you forget all your worries. Nothing is there. You are all so happy, all excited. I mean, it came automatically. Land has something there to do. We are all staying in that campus itself. So that was a great journey. That was a really great journey. It's still a great journey. And when I found people from 66 batch and 67 batch, and they are doing wonderful things, gives a lot of inspiration to us. So thanks to all of, thanks to Aditi for coordinating and everything doing, and thanks especially to Pallav who has invited me and brought to this group. Thanks all.
Thank you for joining, Ashok. And you are so correct. I mean, like IIT has given us that sort of launch pad, right? All our training from there, whether or not we are following the field that we studied, you know, it's just provided this awesome platform. And Pallav, I'm kind of pulling off a Pradeep here, putting you on spot, but ek line ho jaye, raat kali khab mein aayi.
Pallav, come on.
Why not?
You have to unmute. Okay. You are on. Yeah, we can hear you.
रात कली एक ख्वाब में आई और गले का हार हुई, सुबह को जब हम नींद से जागे आँख उन्हीं से चार हुई, और यहाँ वाकई रात हो रही है.
That is amazing, Pallav, and you're such a sport. Thank you so much for singing for us, and thank you, Ashok, for sharing that memory. It's beautiful. Thank you.
Thanks, Aditi. Thanks, Pallav. Thanks, everyone.
Thanks, Ashok.
Awesome. We'll do a couple more meets and greets, and then we have some videos and photographs that you all have shared that we would like to play. So let me go to Bridge Sharma.
Hi guys, namaste. Namaste to all, because there is somewhere good evening, somewhere good morning. Namaste is everywhere.
Yep.
So it's a great pleasure to be here, and I really thank Pradeep, Aditi especially, and Vijay, because but for Vijay, if he isn't pushed me, I won't be here. So thank you guys. It's an honor to be here and meet so many people. And one thing I've realized, IITians, you know, call them and they always immediately get together, whether it is Canada, whether it is the US, whether it is in India, and that spirit, that spirit is actually something inherent Indian, something Indian there, which is a core value preserved by IITians. And when you go there, you don't feel that, you know, you are from a different IIT or you are from a different city. You become one. And that kind of a spirit I really appreciate, and that has been inculcated by our other colleagues, like Surinder Sharma is here. There are not many IITians from Canada I see here, other than Vijay, Surinder, myself here. and hopefully other people will join later on. So I'll give very brief, and I won't talk too much about myself here. I worked at IIT Delhi for about 10 years. I actually started IIT as a research assistant, and that was a Center for Applied Research, which was close to electrical engineering. And I was working with Professor Bharati Bhatt and A.B. Bhattacharya. And at that time, I was thinking which degree I should do, whether electrical engineering MTech or physics. But electronics was close to physics, so I chose physics there. So, and then I did my master's there. And I worked as a senior scientific officer. And we were, I won't say but our team was very proud to develop some of the component for Akash missile. And we were very happy to meet Dr. Abdul Kalam. He used to come, he was the director at SSPL, he used to come for every 6 months for review the projects. And it was very successfully launched. And I would say that IIT Delhi has really contributed a lot for the defense. I would leave it here. And Aditi, you will have more time to introduce other people.
So Aditi, with Aditi's permission, Bridge, you stay a stone's throw away from Vijay's house.
Yes.
I hope you don't throw Akash rockets at his house.
Yes, that way.
Okay, back to Aditi.
Actually, Pradeep, we all three are stone's throw.
Sorry?
Even I am also stone's throw away.
Yes.
Yeah, all three of us are, stone's throw from each other.
We all three are in Mississauga.
You know what, Pradeep, that reminds me, there is a saying in Hindi, jahan kaam aaye sui kya kare talwar. So I think a stone is probably the appropriate thing to throw, not a rocket at that distance.
Actually, the distance is as much as Kailash to Jwalamukhi.
I forgot to tell you, I was at Nilgiri.
Very nice. Yeah, I've done quite a few treks from Kailash to the boys' hostel area for all kinds of events.
I know.
So I know exactly that distance.
For
So
the,
awesome.
For the Khullam Khulla, love in the air.
अरे नहीं सिर्फ love के लिए थोड़ी जाते थे वो तो events के लिए जाते थे Facha event, remember the freshers events all used to be in all hostels, so we would have to trek for that. That was the idea. Anyway, well, thank you guys so much. I'll come back to the meet and greet, but I would like to share a video of photo collages. And Praveen, I didn't quite get your daughter's name, but we have a beautiful Bharatnatyam performance by Praveen's daughter. What's her name, Praveen?
Nitya.
Nitya. Okay. So if technology cooperates, I'm going to try to share my screen and play Nitya's video. Hope you all will enjoy. Let me make sure that I'm able to share. Right.
For Praveen also it is 6 a.m. It is in the West Coast in Vancouver.
Okay, do you guys see the video?
We are seeing the screen at the moment with the
videos. Okay, hold on.
Directory.
I'll have to. Yeah. Okay, I will have to share again. See, this is where I think we all love technology, obviously, but we needed to cooperate. So.
It will take half a minute after you open it. It will take around half a minute.
For it to share? Okay, hold on. All right, it's actually not letting me share the video itself. So we'll come back to that. Why don't we continue the meet and greet and then we'll come back to the video in just a second.
Aditi, you had come up to that file, which what you had to play. That file was visible. But then,
I did, yeah. Hold on. Yes. Let me actually play it from the Explorer. Hold on.
But then what happened that you just hastened up and closed it. So you have to wait for half minute because the distance is from US to so many places. It may take that time.
I thought optical fiber पे कौन research कर रहे थे? किन्होंने बोला था ना?
मैंने ही किया था, तभी तो आपको बता रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, आप ही ने किया था, तो आप बता रहे हो. Okay.
जो है yes.
Okay, let me see if the optical fiber actually works like you were saying.
Yeah,
and
it will work with patience only. Yes.
All right, let me be patient and batana if you guys see the video or.
Now we can see that file actually that you opened. Na? There are eight or something that is visible to us.
Okay, the video is playing on my laptop, so is the video still not visible?
We can hear the voice. Audio we can hear.
I think
Aditi, what you have to do is you have to open the video and then share the screen.
That's what I did, Pradeep, but it's not letting me share the screen. Anyway, ठीक है, तो कुछ तो मतलब what's the fun if there's no interruption, right? कुछ तो गड़बड़
नहीं और क्या देख लिया उन्होंने और क्या इतना साउंड सुन लिया हमने.
अच्छा नहीं, okay, one more attempt we'll do. Let's continue the meet and greet. फिर आते हैं. Let's see who is next on my list. Surinder Sharma.
Yes, I think I was not told anything to say specific. So you ask a question then.
Yourself, Surinder.
Pardon?
Just tell us about yourself, when you graduated, your hostel, anything.
Well, I was in 1972. I was a general secretary sports, and I have gone through a very tough times when all the unions of the staff union, the teaching staff unions were formed by Dr. Subramanian Swamy in IIT, and I was one of the student leaders who fought and said the way we designed the constitution and the student activities under the sports board, under the recreation and sports activities, and under the hostel management was perfectly. We didn't need a student union. So there was a big kind of hangama during my time. And we went through and formed and formulated all the constitutions of the student bodies, which ran very smoothly. And we had an excellent environment in the campus. And we didn't allow the influence of Jawaharlal Nehru University or the Delhi University to come in. I mean, they tried to come and do all that kind of union activities with the help of Subramanian Swamy, who was part of the faculty and was always in the tussle with the director at that time. I'm telling you a very old history. Some of you may not be familiar with all that stuff. So just to give a little introduction how the campus used to be. And since I was, besides being a student of electrical engineering, I was also the goalkeeper of the soccer team. And then in the final year, the hockey goalkeeper was not there. He had left the year before, and they were looking for the inter-IIT meet. I was asked to be the goalkeeper of the hockey team, and we went on to win the inter-IIT hockey championship also. That was a great fun and experience moving from soccer to football. And I was the table tennis champion also all through, even in the inter-IIT games also. And by the way, some of the girls are smiling now. Whenever my match used to be there in Jawalamukhi Hostel or Nilgiri Hostel, there used to be 5-6 girls coming from Kailash Hostel to watch the match. And then
मेरे दिल को लगा.
And another interesting thing is there was a great opportunity that now the match is over late in the evening. Who's going to drop them? So my other friends used to get an opportunity to mingle with the girls and walk with them up to Kailash Hostel in the evening and drop them off and then come back, So I'm just giving you the interaction between Kailash and other hostels during those nice days when we used to have debates and all that, and a lot of girls used to come to the hostel side. So giving you the whole scenario.
सुरेंद्र, इसके लिए तो एक अलग सेशन करना पड़ेगा, interaction between Kailash and
Kailash and other hostels. Interface between Kailash and other hostels.
There are many aspects to it. So
Okay.
anyway.
So, Surinder, just one question that you see, I know that you stay a stone's throw away from Bridge and from Vivek. So, do you prefer to take the rocket to go to the house, or you run to the house?
Well, if we do the jogging, we can reach each other's house. But here, you know, we travel by cars only.
Okay, back to you, Aditi.
Nice. Awesome. Well, thank you, Surinder.
And,
thank you so much for sharing. Yeah.
Thank you.
Awesome. All right. I got a few tips on chat. I'm not able to, guys, I'm not able to follow all the chat messages because I'm focusing on the sharing the screen part. So I did try to look at some tips. All right. I will try and share my entire screen as was suggested by somebody on chat. I think Ranjita had suggested that. Let me try that. I will try and share a photo video first and see if that works. And then we'll go into Nitya's video, yeah? Okay. Do you guys see my screen now?
Yes, we can see the photos.
Yay! Thank you, Ranjita, for sharing the tip.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we
see.
got Pallav's family to
Hey,
start with.
who was that handsome guy before?
These are pictures from Singapore. That handsome guy was you, I think, Pradeep, kind of looking at yourself in the mirror. So these are streets of Singapore. Thank you guys for sharing the beautiful pictures from Singapore. So this is from a pre-Diwali celebration in the Bay Area here, and we have folks from 99, 2000 batch. So this is my
Nice
family.
photo.
Yeah, that was my family. And these are pictures from Vijay's house and Rangoli and beautiful mandir, all of the celebrations. I think there was also a picture of goodies, which is making me hungry. It's breakfast time here. Yeah. And we'll get to learn some of the Rangoli work that Suma and Getanjali did. I think we're almost at the end of the photo collage. I know some of you shared, and that's Vijay. I know some of you shared pictures a little bit kind of towards the end. I don't think they made it in, but thank you guys for sharing all the pictures. All right. We started and ended with Pallav. That's awesome. We started with your family, Pallav, and we ended with your individual picture. All right. Now that worked, let me try and share Nitya's video, and then we'll get to meet and greet. Okay. Let me share again. I think I shared the audio. Hopefully that's going to work.
Oh, it's happening.
Yay. What a beautiful video. Thank you so much.
Fabulous.
Yeah.
Please.
Thank you for sharing, Praveen. Such beautiful expressions and graceful movements. So thank you. Awesome. All right. Let's, we will have videos to share all through the session. So let's do a few more meets and greets, and let me go ahead. Okay, Ranjita, I will make sure the audio is a little more loud next time. All right, let's see. The next on my list is Divakar Bhargav.
Thank you very much, Aditi. And sabko Deepavali ki shubhkamnaएं. I'm Divakar. I live in Richmond, Virginia. I'm a 67 graduate of in mechanical engineering, 62 MA5, all 5 years in Shivalik Hostel. And now I'm retired. I worked in the nuclear power plant area for many years. The fun memory that I have from my IIT days in 1965, I was secretary of the Hindi Debating Society, and we organized the very first Hindi debate. I personally went to many colleges and invited debaters, and प्रतियोगिता का विषय बहुत interesting था. Whether सदन की सम्मति में, whether the House, in the opinion of the House, whether IIT graduates should go abroad or not. So as we can see, so many of us have gone abroad. So I don't know which way it went, but we had a good participation, and Amrita Preetham was gracious enough to come as the chief guest in that debate. And right now I live in Richmond, Virginia, and I have one son who lives in Hong Kong. Thank you very much, and back to you, Aditi.
Awesome. Thank you for joining, Diwakar. और सदन ने अगर कहीं डिबेट के क्या कहते हैं उसको विपक्ष में वोट कर दिया होता तो हम लोग ग्लोबल कम्युनिटी कैसे बनते?
बिल्कुल. बिल्कुल.
I am so glad that we all, decided to take the journeys we did, and we are forming this beautiful global community. So thank you for sharing, Diwakar. Thank you for joining. Next on my list is Anirban Hindu. Anirban, we can't hear you. You might have to unmute yourself. Okay, so Anirban is writing in the chat that his audio is not working. So we will come back to you later, Anirban, if your audio starts working. Let me go ahead and talk to Dinesh Sikand, I think is how you say it. Dinesh.
Dinesh Sikand, I think I didn't see him.
Yeah, so good morning to everyone from Brampton, and a happy Diwali. God bless all, and I think the fun is really great watching the videos being posted by all of you. Thanks a lot.
But Dinesh, आप कहाँ के हो? IIT के भी हो कि नहीं?
Well, like Diwakar, I am also from 67 batch. And I thought we had sufficient exposure to the GCC group through your videos. So
but there are quite a lot of people who have not been exposed to GCC before. So that's why. My apologies.
You should tell them about your Kargil experience.
Yes.
So there you are. So you want me to tell them a little more, or that?
Yeah. Please.
Well, I am basically a Delhiite from Delhi. I live next door to IIT Delhi. Actually, my house is very near to IIT Delhi. Only JNU is in between. And I basically stayed in Shivalik and Vindhyachal Hostel. And those were the beginning days of this brand. And we had great fun. We had a contest called Engineering Design Contest. I still remember sometime in 64, it was held by Dr. S. Mirza, who had just come from USA, I think, at that time. And the target was to design a car for a monkey.
Wow.
And it was a 3-hour examination. You could, in the main building, and you could go anywhere. You could talk to anybody, you can ring up anybody, you can consult, and you just come back after 3 hours and submit sketches and write-ups on that. And I don't know from where I got some idea, and I submitted it, and I got the first prize. That's really surprising. They used to give books those days from many bookstore in Connaught Place. So I got some prize for $50, I think. They used to give 50 rupees. It was a great thing those days. Basically, what I did was, I just don't know from where I got the idea. I put sensors in the car. I thought a monkey will not know anything. So the sensors will guide it, start, stop, turning and all. And sensors were not known very well those days. They were not, now of course they are great things. So that is story number one.
You should have gotten it patented, no, Dinesh? Abhi to self-driving cars are the rage. So
yeah. So I didn't know this will happen one day like that. and Elon Musk will do all these wonders.
Right?
So,
Oh my God.
Dinesh is a very, very shy guy. So let me kind of also tell people that he is 1967 batch, but he was also the Director General for Military Operations. And in fact, he's been in wartime, in Kargil and earlier wars, organizing infrastructure for 10,000 troops and all that. So really
Oh my
hats
God.
off to wonderful experiences that he has. Back to
Yeah,
Aditi.
I have to tell you guys, this has been such a humbling experience to be in the presence of folks that have done so much in life and achieved so much. And hats off to everybody. And again, thank you all for sharing your stories. Thank you, Dinesh,
Thank you very
so
much.
much.
Thank you.
Yeah, awesome. Next in my list is Keith.
Keith D'Souza.
Hi, Keith. Yeah, you didn't put your last name, so I'm just going by whatever Zoom's telling me.
Unmute
So
yourself,
Keith,
Keith.
That's okay. My name's Keith D'Souza. I'm from, my entry number was 70 TA9, so I was an IIT from 70 to 75. And I remember guys like SK and all. But the most interesting thing that I had in IIT was getting ranked. I came into IIT from Bombay, and on the weekends, nobody was in the hostel. All the freshers would leave because the seniors would be ragging the guys. And because I was the lone guy there, I was ragged by everybody. I was in Kumau house and ragged through the night, through the day, and in all the hostels. I went spent my Saturdays and Sundays in all the hostels getting ragged by everybody. So I made a lot of friends. I had a big bunch of friends in IIT, and I enjoyed moving about in every hostel. I knew guys because I was ragged so much. And it was a good thing for me when I was in college. I still remember SK Sharma Surinder Sharma was a TD champion, a hockey champion, and the GSEC of sports, he was a big champion in those days. I played hockey too for IIT Delhi and captained IIT Delhi in 1975 when we won the entire IIT in hockey.
You were in the same team which won the gold, which I mentioned. You were in the same team. I didn't realize you were here.
No, we won it again in 75. When you were not there. Anyhow, then after IIT, I went and worked in Bombay Dyeing for a little while, and then worked in Nigeria for 22 years. And now I've come to Canada, and I worked here for about 20 years. I'm still working in the textile industry. I do a strange thing. I help somebody. We import yarn and other textiles from India and Asia and supply it to South America. The most unique thing, because I don't think anybody does that. Don't see the product at all. It goes from India to South America. So I've traveled to most of the South American countries, to Argentina, Bolivia, Paraguay, Colombia, all those countries, and worked in all those countries, Peru and all. Still struggling to learn Spanish. I hope I learn it someday. Anyhow.
So Keith, Keith, out of curiosity, that painting which is there on the wall behind you, how many Canadian dollars did you buy it for? Jokes apart, back to Aditi.
My wife who bought it. I really did.
Awesome. Well, Keith, it was so fun to hear that you enjoyed getting ragged. Aanchal, you and I will need to go back to IIT because we missed out big time. So Keith, thank you for sharing the experience here.
All ragging was not good. All ragging was not good. I had it.
Keith is also in Toronto.
Huh?
Keith is also in Toronto.
Oh, very nice. We have a good representation of Canada. But yeah, no, Keith, since it's Diwali, we'll focus on the positive aspects, even of ragging. Awesome. All right, guys. So I want to make sure that we all get to go through the meet and greet. So I would like to speed things up a little bit. And if folks are okay staying a little bit longer, I'm happy to stay longer because, again, it's, so amazing to hear all these stories. So let me go to our next participant, Updesh Verma.
Hello.
We can hear you. Hey.
Hi. Actually, I'm not at my home, so I'm outside. So that's why the photos are maybe video will be not very much good. So I did my PhD from IIT Delhi in 2011. So I lived in Nilgiri hostel, and I am associated with IIT Delhi Alumni Association since 2016 till today, and that's a very great to be associated with IIT and its alumni through IIT Delhi Alumni Association. And this GCC program is very much interesting to me because you can meet the people who are very much experienced. So much of people are here which I cannot meet in the physical thing, but due to Pradeep Khanna sir, we are able to meet it through online this mode. So that is very interesting, and thank you very much, and happy Diwali to all of you.
Thank you so much for sharing, Uptesh. It's great to have you be a part of the GCC community, and I couldn't agree more. This is such an awesome forum to connect, like I said, with stalwarts in different fields. And yeah, thank you for joining, Uptesh.
Thank you. Thank you very
awesome.
much.
Yeah, we'll do one more, and then we'll go to a dance video, a family dance video, which is going to be very fun. Let's go to Somnath Mitra.
नमस्कार। मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि हिंदी में बात करने की, और मैं अभी मैंने MBA कंप्लीट किया था, पार्ट टाइम MBA कंप्लीट किया था IIT दिल्ली से। हमारी क्लासेस लगती थी 4th ब्लॉक में। हम लोग ऑफिस से वापस आते थे और क्लासेस, और अभी मुझे बताया गया कि क्या अच्छा एक मेमोरी है IIT दिल्ली का। मुझे फोटोकॉपिंग शॉप का बहुत याद आती है। अगर वो नहीं होता, मेरा MBA नहीं होता डेफिनेट, इसमें तो कोई शक ही नहीं है। मतलब फोटोकॉपिंग शॉप, वहां पे हम लोग फोटोकॉपी लेते थे रात के 10:30-11 बजे, खाना खाते थे, फिर घर जाते थे और फिर अगले दिन सुबह ऑफिस। वो हुआ हमारा MBA का मेमोरी। उसके बाद मैंने पार्ट टाइम PhD कंप्लीट किया IIT दिल्ली में। मेरा कॉन्वोकेशन लास्ट ईयर हुआ है, सो maybe I'm one of the youngest convocation attendee. अभी मैं IIM अहमदाबाद में सेंटर फॉर डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में ड्राइव करता हूँ वो, और उसके पहले मैंने येस बैंक में नौकरी किया है, IBM में नौकरी किया है, विप्रो, एरिक्सन, कई सारे सिस्टम इंटीग्रेशन कंपनीज में नौकरी किया है। शुभ दीपावली आप सभी को, और special thanks to Pradeep Khanna sir. Over to you, Aditi.
Absolutely नहीं, thank you so much. In fact, मुझे धन्यवाद बोलना चाहिए, right? कितना अच्छा आपने बिल्कुल हिंदी में पूरा परिचय दिया। I'm trying to dig into my vocabulary from years ago कि मुझे सब बोलना भी आ रहा है कि नहीं, but बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे सुन के। In fact, जिया सराय used to be a village बीच में IIT के, वहाँ की फोटोकॉपी का शॉप एंड कॉफी साथ में। We've spent a lot of hours there for BTech projects and MTech projects and all of that.
Compiling कराना, binding कराना, and so on and so forth.
सब कुछ। Anyway, thank you so much again, Somnath, for sharing. हम लोग अब देखेंगे एक family dance video. I hope Ranjita is still on the call. She is. Hey, Ranjita. So Ranjita Nanda, she and her beautiful family. Harsh Nanda is also. Harsh and Ranjita were batchmates. And again, sorry Ranjita, we'll get to your meet and greet. पर मैं थोड़ा सा thunder steal कर रही हूँ. Her 2 sons, Hasit and Rajas, have also performed in this video. In fact, I think Shamak Davar की classes ली थी इन्होंने as a family, which is such a beautiful thing in itself. So we will watch this dhamakedar video of Ranjita and her family. And again, hopefully my screen sharing is not going to let me down. बताइएगा if you can hear it.
Thanks, Aditi.
Of course, Ranjita, thank you for sharing the video. Let's see if it's going to play.
market available. Just explain the market.
Wow, so amazing. It was such a rocking
Big round
video.
of applause for Ranjita and her family.
Yeah, and having been at IIT at the same time as Ranjita, I was 1 year senior to Ranjita, and Harsh and Ranjita look exactly the same as they did 2 decades ago. So it's amazing how they do that. So we'll get to the introduction part with Ranjita. And actually, you know what, Ranjita, you're showing up next in my list because I think you unmuted. So why don't we hear more from you right now? Tell us a little bit more.
Hey, can you hear me?
We can.
Okay. Hi, everyone. Happy Diwali. I'm here in New Jersey. I have a lot of errands going on today. My kids study in a boarding school and they're leaving for UK today. So sorry. I will probably drop off in a while. So as Aditi said, I joined IIT in 1996, graduated in 2000. My husband and I both are from the same IIT batch. Thank you, Aditi, for sharing the family video. Our family, took some dance classes and we performed this at actually a Diwali party back into 2019, pre-pandemic. It was an IIT Delhi Diwali party. We have a lot of IITians here in the New York, New Jersey area, and it's always nice to get together with everyone. I was in textile technology batch of 2000. I came to US after that and did my master's in computer science from Georgia Tech. Moved around a lot in US between East Coast and West Coast, spent over a decade at Microsoft and Amazon, Nordstrom, and now I run my own company. It's an IT services company. So that's a little bit about me. Very, very nice to see everybody here. Happy Diwali, everyone.
And just for everybody's info, Ranjita along with Aditi and Anchal were some of the stars of the Kailash session that GCC presented a couple of weeks back. So the lovely dance, Ranjita, please give us a big round of applause. And it's
Thank
lovely,
you.
Ranjita, that in spite of your, running around and, getting your kids off to UK, you joined the session today. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Yeah, no, thank you definitely, Ranjita, for joining. And the video definitely added dhamaka to our celebration. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I'm sure everybody else did too. Thanks again, Ranjita. All right. Let's go to Sanjay Garhale. Is that how you say your last name, Sanjay?
It is Sanjay Gadale.
Hey,
Can you hear me
Sanjay, we
now?
can hear you. We can. Yep.
I am based out of Hyderabad. I think I did say my number and my name. I am on an errand actually. Got my mom over to a dentist. That's why you see me standing outside somewhere. I am from the 82 batch, 82, 86, electrical engineering, Kumau, was a squad captain. And
and I lead quite an active life. I run a management consulting firm out of India with operations in Africa as well as Europe and US. And I basically am involved in a number of incubation centers which are set up for deep impact transformation. In fact, when I was hearing Chawla, one of the teams is actually working on EV platforms for retrofitting in India. I would like to catch up with him later on in one of the later sessions. Thanks, Pradeep, for setting up this entire story. Good to see people coming on from different backgrounds. But I have been chasing up both Sanjay Kalra as well as Manveer Singh and Shekhar Ramurthy, who are all for the same batch. With Anandip Jingran, I think, who's there in California, to come back, to possibly come and have a session which would actually relive the Kumaon as well as the IIT campus days. One of my most lasting memories as far as IIT was concerned was, of course, beyond sports, was the night outs at Skip McKay during Rendezvous, and of course chasing the girls at the fashion show. So those are lasting memories. I think all of us will always share. Great work and continue. I think continue the great work that you are doing. In fact, thanks to Pradeep at the last session that we had, Lochan, who used to be a few years senior to us, maybe we'll find a CEO that he was missing out for his company. I'm just talking to Lochan and getting his AP and Telangana stories running over again. So that is me. One thing aside was in 2009-10, maybe one of the first centers of climate change for this country. I set up for Andhra Pradesh, the combined Andhra Pradesh as it was known then, and I acted as a window for multiple technologies in clean tech, including CMET, which is actually running right now, which was mentioned. CMET is actually doing the e-waste program and has given the MTech program that I designed to IIT Hyderabad. So lots of things that we can do long term and catch up again. Thanks a lot. Good to see you, 35 of you around here. Let's be in touch.
And just want to make a brief comment that I've noticed that Sanjay has been doing a lot, in terms of getting the community together. And I do have plans to getting more involved with GCC. So back to you, Aditi.
Awesome. नहीं, thank you so much, Sanjay. And एक theme emerge होके आ रहा है कि a lot of active sports people are participating today. So I think that goes to show कि मतलब sports वाले बड़े जिंदा दिल होते हैं कि like you like to stay connected socially and everything. हाँ?
RCA Zindabad.
अच्छा RCA. Okay, so my husband was the BRCA GSEC, तो RCA की बात दोबारा करेंगे कभी.
So unfortunately, आजकल sports culture कम हो गया है. Otherwise, all the guys used to be there. Whether it was squash, it was swimming or billiards, snooker, badminton, weightlifting, everything was combined, and swimming. सब हो जाता था वहाँ पे.
Very nice, very nice. So Pradeep, maybe a follow-up session can be our, sports champions from back in the day. तो ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं कभी. चलिए, in the interest of time, I'm going to move on. Next, thank you again, Sanjay. Next in the queue is Kalpin. Kalpin?
Hello. Hello, everyone. A very happy Diwali to all of you. I am Kalpin Shukla, Chemical Engineering 84 batch. I did my MBA from IIM Ahmedabad. Immediately thereafter, work with Unilever, Johnson & Johnson, etc. companies. I can rattle off not only my number, but probably 25, if not 50 roll numbers along with the names. And of course, I would remember every single person who graduated with me in my batch. But that's my personal fascination. Unfortunately, very insipid lifestyle at IITD. I haven't seen Kailash Gate even today. And someday I should exercise the privilege as a president to at least see the gate of Kailash someday. My interesting memory was that I joined from Ahmedabad. I had a very lean frame with probably less than 50 kg weight, but during ragging period, I announced that I could do push-ups. And a senior was very interested, probably not believing it at all. And I casually mentioned that I can do 200, 300 push-ups. After that entire ragging period, including on the RCA wall, including the mess table, high floor canteen, I did push-ups everywhere. And my personal best was that I could do 100 push-ups in 7 minutes. And out of that, I cheated quite many seniors. Nobody could believe that I could do push-ups on just thumbs. Those days, Bruce Lee's picture. Bruce Lee's picture was very popular, Enter the Dragons, and I would generally take a bet that I can do 10 push-ups on thumbs, and the guy would treat me for a Coca-Cola or a paratha. I had wonderful time during ragging just because of this small, nice activity which took me through entire period and all the hostels. Very happy.
Yeah, no, I was gonna say, Kalpan, मैंने पल्लव को तो spot पे डाल के गाना गवा दिया. I don't think I'm gonna have you do push-ups on the call.
Please spare me, because those were 35 years back. So let me not take risk with my thumbs. Having said this, I'm very grateful to Pradeep. First of all, as a part of IIT Delhi Alumni Association itself, he is doing a commendable job. GCC is one of the most vibrant activities that I have personally witnessed in last 1.5 years. And it's very interesting to get connected all across the globe with people with different backgrounds. And I wish that we continue with the same spirit and momentum. Thanks once again. Have a nice Diwali. Wonderful Happy New Year, because in Gujarat we celebrate New Year also immediately thereafter. Have a good time. Thank you very much, Pradeep, once again for this wonderful show. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing, Kalpan. And जब आप बोल रहे थे ना entry numbers, 20 more, मुझे लगा शायद proxy लगाते होंगे आप उन लोग की. That's why you remember the numbers.
You have taken the punch out of the entire thing. But mine was a very interesting number. It was 79,080. So it was very easy to remember. Thank you, Aditi.
Awesome. Thank you, Kalpan, for sharing. So I know we had planned Tombola, but I don't want to miss out anybody for meet and greet. So Pradeep, if you're okay with that, can we complete meet and greet and then do Tombola?
Not 100, but 1000%.
I think awesome. Pradeep Kapoor is left out in the meet and greet.
नहीं, अभी तो बहुत लोग हैं. Lot of people on the list, which is why I want to make sure. I know we will do Tombola, but मेरे को लग रहा है कोई miss ना हो जाए, because it's so joyful to hear all your stories. I think this is the fun of get together. And Pallav, I think we're okay for doing Tombola a little bit later too, right? Okay, perfect. All right, so let's move on. Next on the list is Naval Jaggi. Naval,
I didn't know I was on the line. But anyway.
Everybody's on the line, Naval.
Yeah, man. I thought, anyway, you find me lying comfortable in my bed. I am from the first 4-year batch, 81, 85.
Nice.
Well, a couple of my batchmates have been extremely popular internationally. That is Raghuramji Rajan. He was the last 5-year batch, also Nilgiri. Well, after my graduation, after having worked for a year, I went to Thailand to do my master's, to AIT Thailand. Very few IITians have been, the IIT Delhi people have been there. There were 3 from IITD. I think they were a few years senior to me, two in fact. So, but then I worked on in the line I studied. Until date, now 35 years, I'm working in the same line that I studied my undergrad in. So I think that is a single course of give back to the institution that I've had. And now I'm settled in Singapore last 25 years. And that's my life.
I know, that's very...
So now एक बात बताओ कि तुम IIT में तो you used to go to the surd shops. पर क्या बैंकॉक में तुम क्या मसाज पार्लर जाते थे क्या?
Okay. I don't recall I ever visited surd shop. I don't recall if I spent even 10 visits to the Kishan Lal also.
Kishan Lal. It used to be KLC, right? KLC. Dhaba, right?
And contrary to...
And HMT. Half
HMT.
But that's a proxy answer for Pradeep's query. Pradeep has asked something else.
Well, I have one achievement. During my first year, which is the freshers time, I attended the freshers night in every hostel. Freshers night dinner.
Very nice.
चलो यार जाने दिया तुम अवॉइड कर रहे हो आंसर करना कोई बात नहीं
उसके लिए अलग से ऑफलाइन प्रदीप you can have an offline session with him.
Yes.
Okay, all right, no, very nice.
You see, Bangkok, Pradeep, you see, you run a risk in Bangkok.
I know that.
If you think you're going to the massage parlor and you meet a girl.
All right, you guys, let's bring it back to the Diwali theme here. You guys can have a chat offline. Okay, thank you for sharing, Naval. And I mean, I think it's commendable that you've been in the same line as you got your education in. I sometimes feel guilty कि मैंने शायद वो करना चाहिए था. But again, I think we were talking earlier, all the foundation that we have for anything we do in life comes from IIT Delhi. So thank you again, Naval, for joining and for sharing.
Pleasure.
Let's see. Yeah. Next in line is Neeraj Vaidya. Neeraj, we can't say.
Unmute yourself.
No.
Neeraj has to unmute himself.
Am I audible
He
now?
shows, we can hear you now.
Okay, I'm using my microphone. So definitely I'll use both Hindi and English, I'll use the mix. So Somnath use Hindi, then I'll use, you are using English, so I'll use both. So I'm basically a 99 batch mechanical engineer, passed out in 2003-04. And my fundamentals were quite clear when I entered IIT Delhi, that after this I'll not study, because I studied too much.
Your Marathi also was there.
Hello? Sorry. Hello?
Yeah, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Marathi bhi use karo sakte
ho. Yeah,
Yes,
definitely.
Sanjay, can you mute yourself, please?
So what did, after joining the IIT Delhi, I thought I have to, build my personality. So first year of my, Aravali hostel, one of my senior noted a talent of dancing in me. And he put me on the spot because I used to have, I used to dance before, but I have never danced on the stage. So presenting Aravali hostel, I was dancing in, inter-hostel competition in Dogra Hall. And after 1 minute, I forgot all the steps. So it was a big embarrassment for me. Everybody from the institute used to know my name. Okay, this is the guy who faltered on the stage. Then I thought, this is not done. Ego में ले लिया फिर मैंने कि देखा कि भाई अभी तो ये चलेगा नहीं अगर ऐसी image बनी. So by end of third year, I used to represent IIT Delhi in the rendezvous. I have won number of dance and dramatic competition. I was a director also in the dance and dramatics. So that was the one of the most important learning for me from IIT Delhi, and that was also very fun moment. Definitely at least once I've attended the Kailash Day, which Kalpin was saying that he has never attended. So at least I have attended once. And seeing from you, she's my wife, Dr. Amrita. So my fundamentals was clear. I'll not marry, like somebody who will always, dominating me. If I would have married, IIT Delhi girl, so she intellectually she would always.
Okay, Neeraj, I think you're treading very, very dangerous territory here. Okay.
He's safe under medical supervision.
Yeah,
so he's under medical supervision.
I don't know anything from the medical background, and she don't know anything from the engineering background. But jokes apart, her cousins used to study in IIT Delhi. So this is that's why I came to know she has attended Rendezvous. I have attended the Pulse, AIMS, and everything. So that was the fun thing I learned from IIT.
Awesome.
Great.
Yeah, no, it's great to have you join, Amrita. Thank you again. I know Suma was on and Amrita, you joined. It just makes the fun even more when we get to meet families. So thank you for joining,
And
Amrita.
I have a very beautiful daughter. Her name is Ayana. Okay.
Beautiful. The name's beautiful.
Happy Diwali to everybody.
Happy Diwali, everyone. Thank you. Happy Diwali, everyone. Neeraj, for next time, we want your dance video in the Diwali Dhamaka. For now, we spare you. But all right, you guys. Thank you again, Neeraj and Amrita. All right. Next, we have Praveen Goel.
Hello. Good morning and Shubh Deepavali to everyone. I was in IIT Delhi 87 to 89 mechanical department, and prior to that I was in IIT Roorkee. And I have family with my wife. She actually also graduated from IIT Delhi in 1990. You saw my daughter Nitya. She's 16-year-old, grade 11, and my son is in University of British Columbia, first year engineering. I never thought that he would go to engineering, but finally he decided after quite a bit of a persuasion that yes, I will go for engineering. So he's doing first year of engineering in UBC. And I live in Canada, Vancouver, beautiful city, lots of greenery, but lots of rain. Fond memories, actually, I was just going to talk about two things quickly. Speak Mackay and KLC. I love food, and I enjoyed the bread pakoras of KLC's, and back from IIT Roorkee when I used to enjoy the bun omelette. So lots of food memories for me from all the other places. So back to you, Aditi. Thank you.
Thank you, Praveen, and thank you for sharing Nitya's video. And I have to say, if you enjoyed KLC food, you must definitely love food. So I think, thank you for sharing that, Praveen. Let's see. Next in line, we have Pradeep Kapoor. And guys, I know we're heading almost till the end of time, but I would love for you guys to stay a little bit longer if you can. I would love to go through everybody. I know we spent more time than we thought we would in the meet and greet, but the stories are just so fun. All right, Pradeep Kapoor.
Thank you, Aditi, for getting me on. Now, first of all, I want to thank all of you for putting together this very beautiful presentation. I have here with me my wife, Kavita.
Hello. Happy Diwali to everybody.
Happy Diwali to everybody. So about IIT, I was one of the people who has stayed in probably the maximum number of hostels. And that got into my bloodstream later also in life. Because then I stayed in almost all the continents of the world. So firstly, I was in Kara for my BTech, 5-year electrical, 72 MS CY5, my entry number. And then I went on to Vindhyachal for my MTech, Systems and Management Studies. Then I went on to join the Foreign Service, but came back to IIT Delhi to join for my PhD program at IIT and JNU, having the benefit of both the institutions. We were also in the first batch to do the biomedical engineering from AIIMS and IIT. So we would go regularly to AIIMS for one semester. Anupama Malik is here, very glad to meet her too. But anyway, continuing with my story, every day was a fun day in IIT, every moment was fun. Too many fun memories. But working for India, planting the flag of India all over the world, and sort of delivering some of the biggest projects for the government of India in so many countries as a foreign service officer, as an ambassador for India, was something absolutely phenomenal. And it is a matter of great pride to be able to work for a country in such a profound capacity. And I have many firsts to my credit in my life, in the sense I was the first from IIT Delhi to join the Foreign Service. And even in the Foreign Service, I have too many firsts. But amongst the government of India funds for projects abroad, probably I was the diplomat who had the maximum amount of funding, which I received for some of the most pioneering projects all over the world. And some of the prime ministers were very keen that I would be personally involved with a lot of those projects. So that was absolutely phenomenal. I am now in the US, in Maryland. We have both our sons here in the US on the West Coast. One is in Los Angeles, one is in Seattle. My wife is faculty in one of the universities here in Washington, DC area. I'm working with a few organizations. I'm doing advising. I'm strategic advisor to one of the fintech companies, which has a global footprint, works with central banks all over the world. And I work very passionately in Wheels Global Organization, which is again born of IIT, Pan IIT Alumni Association, for delivering work, philanthropy, support, rural empowerment of communities in the villages in India and elsewhere. Wheels is W for water, H for healthcare, E for education, E for electricity, L for livelihoods, and S for sustainability, the banner on the background. I'll stop here. Happy Diwali to everybody. It's a fun event in IIT, the most fun event. Well, being called to the director's residence for a high tea when I'm selected for the foreign service, and he says, no, you must go to the MIT, you must not join the foreign service. And I sort of disobeyed him and went ahead and joined the foreign service and not the MIT. Thank you.
I'm glad you made the decision. Yeah,
So I will just take 1 second, Aditi, because PK is also from my batch, like Vijay Ivoli, and I've also stayed at his place in Maryland. I just want to say hi to Kavita. Kavita, hi.
Yes, hello, happy Diwali, Pradeep. So nice to see you.
Yeah, likewise. And we will connect up later on, just in the interest of time.
Yes,
Back to you,
please,
Aditi.
yes.
Awesome. Kavita, again, thank you for joining. Like I've said all throughout, it's really special to have family and spouses join. So thank you, Kavita, for joining us. And Pradeep, I'm super happy that you made the decision you did and you helped plant the Indian flag globally. So kudos to you and thank you again for joining and thank you for sharing.
Did I do a lot of work for the country? You said
yeah, absolutely. Yeah, this is in my opinion, the job in the world where you can have the maximum impact and also work for the country in a very sort of macro manner, holistic manner. So I would encourage you all to see how your children can join the foreign service, if possible in India, because that is the best foreign service in the world. But if not possible in India, in whichever country you are, because those foreign services are not a patch on the Indian foreign service, by the way.
So speaks a patriarch.
Yeah, no.
I know.
That's a factual statement. That's acknowledged by almost all the countries.
Yeah,
it's not just my statement. Yeah.
No, that's really wonderful to hear, Pradeep. And as many of our kids are in the process of, choosing their career path, it's great to hear from you, having been.
But I wish you all success because I have not been successful in that. Both my sons are not in the line to join foreign service. They are in different lines.
Pradeep, हमारा काम सिर्फ उनको ideas देना, मार्ग दिखाना है. बाकी तो it's up to them what they choose to do. So that's all we can do. Awesome. Well, thank you again. Thank you again for joining.
He also rode a bicycle. He rode a bicycle from Delhi to Bombay.
Well, I rode a bicycle from Delhi to Agra, not Bombay. My friends rode it to Bombay also. But 4 of us rode, and so many things like that we kept on doing all the time. They're too much fun. It would take days, not hours. It would take weeks actually to narrate all those things.
Yeah, maybe another idea, Pradeep, for our next one is just fun stories from IIT. The sports ho gaya, fun stories ho gayi, bahut sare ideas aaye hain. So
I was also probably the first and only diplomat to scale the highest peak of Africa. I don't know whether any other diplomat has done that till today. Mount Kilimanjaro, it's not so high, but still. So too many fun things like that in life. Yeah.
Awesome. Kudos to you, Pradeep. And again, thank you for joining. Thank you for sharing and wish you a very happy Diwali. We have like 4 or 5 folks left to go through, guys. So please bear with us and
thank
stay
you, Pradeep. Thank you,
longer.
Aditi.
Yeah,
thank you,
thank you.
Thank you, Pradeep. Thank
Thank
you to
you,
all
guys.
of you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Happy Diwali.
So next we have Rajiv Madane.
Hi guys, can you hear me clearly?
Absolutely
Yes, we can.
Oh, great. Hi Pradeep, good to see you again. And hi everyone. So I am from the same batch as Pradeep, 1977, and Aravali Hostel, of course. The fun place. I actually have 2 kids. One daughter is in Sydney, Australia, and son did his graduation from UC Berkeley in the Bay Area, and he just finished his 3 years of OTP in the US, and he's coming back to Singapore. I'm based in Singapore for the last 35 years, and all the time I have been working in fintech. So I've been working with fintech. In fact, I've worked with AWS, Experian. I worked with all the companies in the fintech space, and I worked with the Monetary Authority of Singapore for launching the Apex platform on AWS, which is the central bank fintech collaboration platform. So done a lot of things. And right now I'm doing digital banking. I teach digital banking at Singapore Management University. And done a lot of this one across many, many years. So one fun fact, I used to be doing lots of plays, dramatics in IIT Delhi. So I was best actor, best director, all those things I have done in IIT Delhi during my time. And Pradeep, you may remember some of the plays that I did. वो जो नौटंकी उससे चल रहा है, आज तक मैं नौटंकी कर रहा हूँ.
I know what you mean, Rajiv, because my husband was also a dramatics secretary and BRC GSEC. So drama हमारी family में भर के है. But next time, Pradeep, let's keep that in mind. Next time Diwali धमाका में Rajiv, we need a skit, man.
Absolutely, इसको छोड़ेंगे नहीं. ये भी मेरे बैच का है actually.
Done. ठीक है राजीव, तो आपने sign up कर लिया है अगली बार के लिए. Thank you so much for sharing and thank you for joining. Folks, we have 4 folks left. Rishi Madan is next on the list.
Yeah. Yes. Hi, everybody. I'm Rishi Madan, 67 batch, 62 MB12. I think 67 batch I got the majority here. Sorry.
We can hear you, Rishi. Go ahead.
Okay. We have the majority here, 67 batch. So I stayed mostly in Shivalik and Vindhyachal. And I worked for an Indian company, a manufacturing engineering company. Our campus life, because our was the second batch, our campus life was much different than what I am hearing from all the others. At that time, there was no TV. There was only one bus coming to the college from the railway station to Maroli Road, number 17. And there was no restaurant nearby. And no, we could not find any girl before Yusuf Rai. So this was our life, but we had a very close, very networking with our friends, very batchmates. We have a very close networking with each other. I have 3 daughters, all of them are well settled.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for sharing, Rishi. मुझे नहीं पता था यहाँ पे majority का competition हो रहा है batch wise, नहीं तो मैं अपने सारे 400 batchmates को लेके आती थी.
Chance है यहाँ पे. I'm in Gurgaon in India.
Next time, for sure. All right. Well, thank you so much again for sharing, Rishi, and for joining. Wish you a very happy Diwali. Next on my list is Shri Vijay.
Vijay Anand.
You're not on. You're on mute.
आप गुरुजी बोलो तो अनम्यूट हो जाएंगे.
अच्छा गुरुजी, आप प्लीज अनम्यूट हो जाइए और हमें आशीर्वाद दीजिए. नहीं, आप फिर भी सुन नहीं रहा है. We can't hear you. We can't hear you still. You show unmuted, but we still can't hear you. Okay, while you're trying to fix the audio, maybe can I come back to you? Can you hear me? I can't hear you.
Yeah. You are talking Vijay Anand, right?
Yeah. I'm talking about Vijay Anand, yes.
I don't see him on the...
No, he's there. I see the video and I see him talking, but I don't hear him.
Oh, yeah.
So, ऐसा करते हैं. How about we go to, who else is left? Sunil Mishra. And then we'll come back to Vijay Anand. Sunil Mishra.
Thank you, Aditi. This is an honor to speak. I'm embarrassed that हमको स्वामी जी से पहले बोलना पड़ा, लेकिन I'm an 81 batch, 76211 entry number if you want to know. it's we have Nilgiri Hostel, phenomenal, phenomenal 5 years in IIT. I can't say enough. I'm on the East Coast in the Boston area. 3 daughters, and as Pradeep said earlier, some of them are the ages of folks on the screen here, so I won't embarrass myself by divulging my age, but IIT was just phenomenal. I mean, at this point, I own and run a IT technology company, based here on the East Coast, but we are global and having lots of fun. Did lots of fun stuff after IIT, masters in the US, worked for a Credit Suisse investment bank in New York, did a venture-based startup, ended up selling that company, sold my second company too. It's been phenomenal, and it's been great to reconnect back with all the great folks here, and I'm part of the GCC with Pradeep, and our goal is to try to actually promote as much engagement as we can with the 50,000 plus alumni that we have. I don't think IIT does a great job with that compared to Harvard and MIT and others, and our goal is to fix that. Anyway, I'll keep it short. Happy Diwali, everybody. Great to see you guys.
Thank you so much, Sunil, for sharing, and don't feel guilty about going before Swamiji, because he will concur that ऊपर वाले की मर्जी के बिना कुछ नहीं होता, तो you were destined to speak before him, so don't worry about that. Having said that, let's see, Swamiji, are you able to speak now? नहीं, अभी destined नहीं है. We can't hear you. Can you hear us?
Oh, actually, चलो let's move on, because ये स्वामी जी आजकल गोवा में बैठे हैं, तो पता नहीं काजू फेनी तो नहीं लेके बैठे.
Okay, Pradeep, I am going to ignore that comment, and I'm going to go over to Vinay Piparsania.
All right, thank you, Aditi, and I hope everybody can hear me. Just raise a thumb. Yeah, all right, great. Good morning and good evening, everyone. It is a pleasure to be amongst you. And, one of the things I think of being almost last is, my God, you've had such interesting journeys that I hope mine doesn't pale in comparison to that. All right. So, hi, I'm 85 batch, mechanical engineering, the last of the 5-year batch, and a part of the group that is Jayan Sinha, Raghu, all of that gang. So it's been an amazing journey that I've had at IIT Delhi. And just to continue from where Pradeep Kapoor sir had mentioned, I'm actually the son of a diplomat. So, and I chose to go, very much seeing how much travel we had done around the world. I thought, how can I make sure that I travel around the world in my own terms? So after grad, I've always been an auto guy. That is what really got me inspired to get into mechanical engineering at IIT Delhi. I was at Kara Hostel. And I can tell you, honestly speaking, much as I enjoyed all my time and did a lot of activities, the one reason I joined IIT was because it had everything. You had a swimming pool, you had a squash court, you had tennis courts. I made sure I took part in everything, took part in dramatics, represented IIT Delhi in we took the contingents for all the cultural festivals there. My memorable story is my roll number. It's 80205. And I don't know how many of you were there in 83, but when we had the first, that rendezvous inauguration, we did an audio visual, which at that time was doing 35mm slides on a carousel projector synced with sound on tape. We did the first inside revelation of what it is like to be an IITian, and I was a protagonist, and I was 80205. So that really was my sort of memory. And, after graduating, realized I'd done a lot of theory, needed practice, joined Tata Motors, and I've been an auto guy ever since. So most of my career was with Ford Motor Company in the Asia Pacific region, setting up operations. I had 3 stints in India, 2 stints in the Philippines, a stint in Thailand, so on. So I really did enjoy representing a lot of us, in all these parts of the world, and being an ambassador, especially in setting up standards, global automotive standards here in the country. So what you see, the airbags, the ABS, all of these things were very much discussions that we had to set it up. Currently, I've taken on the role of being the CEO of the Endowment Foundation here at IIT Delhi, a job that is turning out to be great because I get a chance to meet all of you. I mean, imagine having a job which is actually reaching out to everyone and connecting. So I love it. And I'm looking forward to being able to connect with you in various ways. You know, we're all very grateful, and I'm sure there's a lot of, sort of feelings for giving back. Love to be a part of that and help you find a way to do that in a way that you find meaningful. So that's really my role. Wonderful to meet up with all of you. Thank you, Aditi. Back to you. And thank you, Pradeep, for making sure I was here tonight. I love it. Thank you.
Nice to see you, Pip.
And that's the other thing. Everyone knows me as Pip. Right. Oh, by the way, my family, we call ourselves the Pips. I have 2 girls, been very active sports girls also. And whenever they meet their team t-shirts, that's what they put, Pips, on their thing. They're both in the US doing their masters, one in Chicago and one at Yale. So amazing. Thankfully, they take them to their mom, who has been very inspiring to them as a great traveler that they have become. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you for sharing, Vinay, and thank you, Pradeep, for encouraging so many folks to join today. I think all of us are going to remember 80205 Vinay. So thank you for sharing and having been a part of like the Rendezvous marketing committee at one point. I know exactly what you're saying about the carousels and everything. So again, thank you for joining and thank you for sharing. Wish you a happy Diwali. It looks like we may have Swamiji back online. Can you, are you able to speak now? Are Baba, nahi sun raha abhi bhi, nahi sun raha.
Anyway, we have 3 Vijays and only 2 Pradeeps. So Vijay is 3 now.
83 Rendezvous was the most memorial. I think Pip can confirm. बहुत गदर हुआ था उस time. बहुत गदर हुआ था.
We had, I mean, if we learned anything about leadership and managing and being agile, I think anyone who's been involved in Rendezvous will have to be mighty successful today in various things.
Absolutely. This is all called on-the-job training, right? Koi class thodi management ki ya marketing ki. We just kind of like got up and did stuff, right? So I would totally second that, Vinay. And yeah, Rendezvous was definitely a fun part of
it was real hell. 84 Rendezvous. I remember I lived 42 hours in the control room and we lived only on beer.
Yeah.
No food.
Okay, that's definitely a story for another time. So Pradeep, I think we're having challenges with Vijay Anandji's audio, तो उनके लिए एक अलग अपन session कर सकते हैं just to get the gyan. I did see that you did the namaste, so happy Diwali, Vijay Anandji. Sorry we couldn't hear from you, but guys, we're 13 minutes over and I think I got everybody on the list. If there's anybody that I haven't been able to call out, please unmute yourself and let me know. Oh wait, I see Trilok Kothari. I don't think I saw them on the list earlier. Okay, so I think he's on a call anyway. So guys, one question, we still have Pallav, but we have quite a few folks that have dropped off. I don't know, Tambola karna hai apne ko. What do you think?
I think we can do it another day.
Okay.
We'll have a Tambola session with a focus on Tambola and do things around that.
ठीक है? ऐसा करते हैं, Tambola we'll do another day, but I do have 2 Rangoli videos from Vijay's family that I want to play. So after that, we'll go into vote of thanks. We'll do a happy Diwali and then sign off. Let me play the Rangoli videos, guys, and we'll sign off quickly after that. Hold on 1 second. So the first video you see is a Rangoli done by Suma. For all of you looking for ideas to decorate your homes, I think these videos are going to be super helpful. Thank you for sharing, Vijay. What a beautiful Rangoli. When I saw the dots on the floor, I didn't realize it was going to turn out so beautiful. Thank you for sharing, Suma. The next one is a quick Rangoli video by Geetanjali, Vijay's daughter.
I remember Rangoli used to be a part of the rendezvous as well.
Rendezvous maybe, and even the freshers events maybe. I think
Yes.
Rangoli design and all these used to be events. So again, yeah, Vijay, do convey our thanks to Suma and Geetanjali for sharing that. So guys, it has been a pleasure chatting with you all, and it's a beautiful start to my Saturday morning. I will hand it over to Vijay for a vote of thanks, and then we'll sign off. Thank you guys. Pradeep, we have at least 3 or 4 ideas for follow-up sessions, so we'll follow up on that, right? So Vijay, over to you for vote of thanks. Thank you again, guys.
Thanks, Aditi. I'll be very quick. So hi, everyone. My name is Vijay Ivalli. I'm a 77 batch BTech from Textile Technology from Jwalamukhi, as you said earlier. It's my privilege and honor to propose a vote of thanks for this Diwali Dhamaka 2021. So this event was essentially a family event connecting the alumni around the world for furthering their network and for mutual benefit. And if you like this event and Yedil Mange more, then please write to us. We'll take suitable action. This event was the first of its kind involving our dear Institute IT Delhi Alumni Association, and all of you, the worldwide alumni and your families. Global Chapters and Connections, GCC in short, so which is a part of the IITDAA with executive members from all over the world. We are trying to bring together all the alumni by organizing events like Diwali Dhamaka, as you just witnessed. I'd like to thank the IIT Delhi and Kalpen Shukla President and his team for supporting this event. I'd like to thank Pradeep Khanna, convener of the GCC, for his leadership in conceptualizing this event, making it happen. He worked 24/7, talking to everyone from Sydney to Australia to San Francisco and Vancouver in Pacific. So, and he was ably supported by my fellow organizing members, Aditi Sharma, so who did a wonderful job, I think. So we should give a big round of applause to Aditi. So thank you, Aditi, for being the MC today. And Pallav Saxena, so who would be conducting the Thambola in the next session. And Pulkit Bhandari, Priyadarshi Mishra, Praveen Goyal for their program ideas. Anirban Kundu for the lovely design of the e-invite you all received. And Sweta Shah and Brish Sharma for their contributions. And above all, everyone, so thank you for you and your families who joined in today's program and made it a big success. So hopefully next time we'll grow in size and in laughter, and we'll enjoy ourselves. So let's all applaud ourselves and be a good round of applause to ourselves. So thank you and happy Diwali, everyone. Shubha Deepavali.
Shubha Deepavali.
Yeah, Pradeep, back to you.
Shubha Deepavali to everyone.
So first of all, folks, I would like to thank you all for joining in today and taking out the time. As I mentioned, that it's a journey that we are on and it's baby steps that we are taking, but this is what it is all about. It's so much of fun to get all these people, everybody from different parts of the world. I can feel the energy, and I can, and the 3 pillars for today's events have been Aditi, Vijay, and Pallav from Sydney, from Vijay from Toronto, and Aditi from San Francisco. So I encourage all of you to not only actively participate, but define value propositions by which we can take this forward. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night, and have a lovely Diwali. Bye for now from Sydney. Take care, all the very best, and see you at the next GCC session on 6th of November. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you all.